Alrighty, welcome back. Now, I'm not gonna, I should introduce the video first. Today I'm cleaning the carbs for the jet ski. Now I'm gonna preface it by saying I'm not rebuilding the carbs, I'm just cleaning them. And they are pretty icky, so I'll show you. If you look, I mean, first of all, it just doesn't look clean, but there's a lot of debris, foreign particles, and just stuff in it. Now this is a dual carb system here. And I don't have a way of, well, a way that at least that I can see of disconnecting these two carbs from this block. It just doesn't, there's no obvious way of doing it. So I'm gonna have to look into that before I obviously try to clean this one, because there's two sides here, right? And because they're mirrored, they're not mirrored, they're just two carbs sitting next to each other. I can't just take off one side and be like, oh yep, that's that part of the carb cleaned, whoop-de-doo. It won't work. So I gotta see if I can take this off first and then move forward from there. Alright, so I got this carb off. Apparently it's actually pretty simple. You just take this, take a little key, Allen key, and it just comes off. You undo both of these. I'm doing this with one hand because I don't have a tripod. Do. One off. And then take the second one off the block. Come on. It's harder to do this with one hand. Also, the other carb was easier to get. Sorry about these atrocious camera angles. Okay, there we go. Got it. That was painstaking. Compared to the other one, at least. Should have loosened them before I did that. And then, gotta be careful here. It'll stick together a bit, but if I hold this down, this will just come off. Now there's a gasket there. If you want to keep the gasket, you can. Nothing's stopping you from reusing it. But, I mean, this gasket looks like it's basically gone, considering that some of it is on this side too. So I'll need to get a new gasket. This side, I'll need to get a new gasket for this one too. But that's alright. Gaskets aren't expensive, so I'm just going to start cleaning this out. I got the carb cleaner, and I got some compressed air, just try to get out, like, well, this is almost empty, but I just want to use it up. Try to get, stupid mosquitoes. Try to get out anything else I can, and I'll be moving forward from there again. So I just got the second carb, or this part of the second carb opened up. And this side looks a lot cleaner. That's really good to see. All I gotta do now is take out these screws here on both of them. And then if you look over here, there's this one little screw. This is what I was missing on the other one. That's why this piece kept falling off, and I was wondering why it was falling off. Turns out I'm an idiot, and I just unscrewed that, and I forgot I unscrewed it. So that's good to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue working. Yeah. So I got the little pieces of metal, these guys right here, out from these little things. And I mean, you can still obviously see which one is significantly cleaner and which one's been running better. So I'm still going to clean both of them, of course, but this one is the one that really needs it. This also, if you look really closely, this jet is clogged. There's some debris in it. This little guy right there, and I can't really tell if there's anything in this jet, but I'm gonna spray it out, of course, anyways. But this jet I'm actually gonna remove and clean out myself. So I'm gonna just do all the cleaning, and then I'll get back once I finish that, so I can talk about the reassembly and what I plan to do tomorrow. So, I'm recording this the day afterwards. Everything's all picked up, everything's clean, but I realized I didn't actually record an outro. So that's embarrassing. Anyways, I'm about to go ahead and record tomorrow's video at the unit, so that's gonna be fun. And got all this stuff ready. So I'm really just chilling out. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. See ya. Next one. Yes.